on math, and we're going to keep working on what we started yesterday of subtraction. That is taking away or finding out how many are left, because that's what we're going to be working on today. Finding out how many are left. So, hide those. If I start with some books here, how many books did I start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I open some, how many did I open? I only opened 1. How many are still closed? How many are left over closed? 1 is open, so then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 still closed. So it's still kind of the same thing. We're still kind of getting rid of the one that's different and finding how many are left over. So if I have 6 cookies, instead of eating 2 of them, I'm just going to say that 2 of them are oatmeal cookies, which you might find super delicious. I like them. If 2 of them are oatmeal, how many are not oatmeal? So I'm just going to say, oh, these 2 are oatmeal. How many are not oatmeal? How many are left over? 4. So we could do this in a number sentence still. We still know how many we started with. We started with 6. And we knew 2 of them were oatmeal. We want to get rid of them so that we find out how many are left over. So that means we have to take away. We have 4 cookies that are not oatmeal. I have 5 balls. 3 of them are red. So I could X out 3 of them, or I could just color them in red. How many are not red? 2. I could have X'd them out. It would be the same thing. Can you make the number sentence that fits? How many did I start with? I started with 5 balls. How many of them are red? 3 of them are red. What do we have to do to find out that 3 of them are red? Do we have to get 3 more? No, we take away the red ones so we can find out how many are left over. 2 that are not red. Started with 5, 3 are red, 2 are not. Now I don't have anything. What could we do? We were drawing circles. So I could draw 9 kids, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to do 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I started with 9. 2 kids have glasses. So what do I do to show that 2 kids have glasses? I could do lots of things. I could color them in. These kids have glasses. Or I can X them out. Same thing. These 2 have glasses. How many don't have glasses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I started with 9. I took away the kids with glasses, and I have 7 left over who don't wear glasses. So, take out your dry erase board. You guys do this. I have 6 puppies. 3 of them have spots. How many don't have spots? So you need to make your puppies. You have to get rid of the ones that have spots to find out how many are left over. So my puppies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 of them have spots. 1, 2, 3. Which means 3 of them are left over. So if you did your number sentence, it would be I started with 6 puppies. I took away the ones that have spots. And now I have 3 left over that don't have spots. Do this one. This one's tricky. You have 7 marbles. 7 of them are green. How many are not green? So, start with 7. take away the green ones. Seven marbles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, I can X them out, but I'm not going to X them out this time because I'm going to show you what happens when you make 7 of them green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are not green? So make the number sentence. You started with 7. 7 are green, so you take away the green ones. How many are not green? How many do you have left over? What number is that? 0. Okay, Kathy has 7 crayons. 4 of them are red. How many are not red? Look, they did the numbers in words. So you start with 7 crayons. You can make circles instead of crayons. 4 of them are red, so you have to take away the red ones. So do it and then the number sentence. And you can pause me if you need to. I'm going to go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crayons. 4 of them are red. I could make them red, or I could cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm doing is getting rid of the red ones so I can find out that I have 3 not red crayons left over. So the number sentence is, how many did you start with? 7. How many are red? 4. You have to take away the 4 red ones to find out how many you have left over, and that is 3. 8 kids are riding bikes. 8 of them are wearing helmets. How many are not wearing helmets? Pause and do the pictures and the number sentence. 8 kids riding bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those aren't circles, Miss J. Doesn't matter. 8 of them are wearing helmets. So 1 helmet, 2 helmets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do I have left over? None. They were all wearing helmets. So I started with 8. 8 of them were wearing helmets to find out that there are none left over who are not wearing a helmet. 5 kids are at the park. 2 of them left. How many are left over? See, I have 2 lefts. This left means they went away. This left means how many do I have left over? So I started with 5. 2 of them left. How many do I have left over at the park? This is not a very good sentence. So you start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 of them went away. Went away. Went away. 3 of them left over. Sentence looks like you start with 5. Some of them left. 2 of them left. And how many do I have left over at the park? 3. So 2 pages, I think, today. Number sentences, you might need someone to help read with you, but these are talking about flowers. This is talking about cards, and this is talking about balls. I have 5 flowers. John colors 2 of them, so you should color 2. How many are not colored? 8 cards. Liz colors 3. How many are not colored? 9 balls. Kim colors 5. How many are not colored? So you can color them in or you can X them out. Means the same thing. And this page is almost even easier because they do all the work for you. They have the number sentences. We start with 5 windows. 2 of them got opened. How many are still closed? 4 books. 1 of them is opened. How many are still closed? Etc. And then I borrowed somebody's computer splash page. Yesterday I asked you to do subtract using pictures. Today you can do subtraction sentences. This is what it looks like on a computer. If you are working on a tablet, you have to go to the very first balloon, and that has all the things that you need to work on, and I would like you to work on the subtraction stuff. All right. Have a good day with that.